Do you know that many potential homeowners are caught off guard by the additional costs that you have to pay on top of the home down payment? Things like legal fees and stamp duty for SPA and MOT and other costs can actually make up another 10% of your purchase price. The common solution is to use part of your renovation and furnishing budgets to pay for them. And of course, that will create its own set of problems. Just look at Tim and Lily, who recently bought their first home but did not account for the extra costs. The renovation works have also gone over budget, leaving very little left for furnishing. So, how can Tim and Lily furnish their dream home in a more cost-efficient way? Let's talk about LG RentUp. LG RentUp lets you enjoy the latest LG appliances through a convenient rent-to-own program, but with some extra benefits added in. Here's how it works. LG RentUp offers a wide range of home appliances, curated to meet different price points. What's unique is the range of products available. With 9 product lines, this is the first comprehensive home appliance rental service in Malaysia. Meanwhile, the rental term is flexible, ranging from 5 to 7 years, designed to fit your unique monthly budgets and needs. LG RentUp also offers comprehensive service to ensure your appliances run smoothly throughout the rental period. Even better, LG RentUp has 0 upfront payments, so people like Tim and Lily can choose to furnish their homes right away with high-quality LG home appliances. Speaking about payments, everything is done via auto debit, supporting both debit and credit cards, which means you'll never need to worry about missing your next monthly payment. Plus, with home appliances like air conditioners, regular maintenance service is crucial for optimal performance. LG RentUp takes the hassle out of maintenance by offering periodic service, cleaning, and maintenance packages conducted by LG technicians, ensuring your appliances, including your air conditioner, stay in optimum condition. As you can see, LG RentUp is certainly appealing because of the various benefits. But before you sign up, you should consider asking yourselves some of these questions. The first question is, can you afford the monthly commitment? As working adults, we've all got some kind of monthly commitments. But with LG RentUp, there are various models that fit a variety of budgets, so you can rent quality LG home appliances without exceeding your monthly budget. The second question to ask yourself is to compare between your needs and your wants. With the affordable monthly rental rates offered by LG RentUp, we recommend to focus on getting the essentials first. And if your budget allows for it, there are plenty of options to enhance your home experience. And the last question is whether to opt for the 5-year or the 7-year rental term. The 5-year tenure may be beneficial for those who want to upgrade their appliances earlier, but at a slightly higher monthly rate. On the other hand, a 7-year tenure means you pay less every month, but over a longer period of time. So do take your time and choose a plan that best suits your needs. LG RentUp is a convenient and cost-effective solution for new homeowners like Tim and Lily, as well as anyone else seeking an alternative way to furnish their home. Plus, you'll also enjoy high-quality LG home appliances and professional maintenance for a worry-free experience. Check out LG RentUp's range of home appliances on the official LG website or visit the LG brand shops to find out more. And that's it for this episode of The Ringgit Plus Show. We hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.